before we get started, why don't you go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, and now let's get into the video.
Ho, ho, brother, ho, whoa, 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 now.
So guys, this is the finished look. I want to give a special shout out to Janet Collection by sponsoring this video, and the featured product of this video was the ESHA Luxury Wig Fashion Absolute Lace Wig Bond. And this is my first time using the wig glue, because I usually use like a got-to-be glue gel. So this is my first time trying out the glue. Hopefully, it was very sticky, so I hope it stays good. I hope it doesn't turn white. So we'll see about that. But this is what it's looking like. It still looks a little white because it's not 100% dry right here. So hopefully once it dries down, we'll be good to go. And then it also came with a lace bond remover for effortless and clean removal. So I'm excited to try this out so I can make sure I don't have any glue left in my baby hair. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you're interested in this hair, I'll see if I can find the links for it. But yeah, this hair is an old wig that I've worn before on my channel. And I'll try to tag the video up here so you can check that out. But that's all I have for this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in. If you want more protective styles, let me know in the comment section below, because it's wig season. It is fall. It is protective style season. So yeah, y'all let me know what else you want me to try in the comments. I love you guys, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Bye guys.